Okay, so we're on the home stretch. I'd like to invite Joanna Westbrook to come up for some closing comments.
Thank you very much. And Mary, thanks very much for a brilliant way of finishing off the day. I just have the pleasure of really doing the thank yous here today. We embarked on this. We've been trying to plan it for a while. You never know if anybody's going to come. And we've just been really overwhelmed by how much engagement there is in the audience and how much interest there is. And it's really rewarding to see. So thank you very much for all your contributions today. I think hopefully it has reinforced the power of collaboration, and we hope that we can start using some of the things we've spoken about to do more of that. So we're really keen to do that. I wanted to particularly thank our core partners, eHealth New South Wales and the Sydney Children's Hospital Network. I mean, if there hadn't been people who were receptive to this idea of embarking upon a 5-year program of work, waiting for us to get the grant money, as Michael said, it did require them to do some restrictions on what they did, and they, it was only possible and successful because of the culture that they had, that they were receptive to listening to what we had to say and come back to us. And it's been a real joy and delight. I've worked on many partnership grants, and I really wanted to thank them, to thank the staff, all the nurses, the pharmacists and things, where we'd go in and interview them or watch them. They were very generous, and I hope that seeing the results is rewarding for them. I wanted to particularly mention Cheryl McCulloch, who's not here, who was really championed the work and research at the Children's Hospital and getting the grant through. And Cheryl has now moved on to private enterprise, and I think she's in Germany at the moment, but I really wanted to acknowledge her contributions. Members of the steering committee who came back meeting after meeting, even when the grant finished, they continue to come back and talk to us. Thank you very much. Clearly, I want to thank my team and the people behind it. You have seen them. They are a brilliant group of individuals who just keep on coming up with brilliant ideas, who do the work. There's a lot behind these nice presentations that come up, hours and hours of work. You've done a fantastic job. I feel very proud of all of you. So thank you very much. Finally, these sort of events don't just happen by themselves. There are 3 people who really made this happen. Chrissy Clay, please stand up. Kelly Smith and Cherie Crick. Extraordinary amount of work. We couldn't have done it without you. Thank you very much. And there is a small gift for you as well. Joe, we're never going to let you retire. Keep on asking you to come back. Thank you very much. And all the volunteers, the Chaser volunteers, thank you for running around. I know it's not in your job description as a research fellow. And finally, George, thank you very much for navigating us through the journey. We can always rely upon you. You knew you do a fantastic job. We have some gifts for you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Over to you.
Thank you very much. Thank you, and it has been a great day. We've all learnt a lot. We've all experienced the excitement of being in a collaborative, research-based environment, and I look forward to that continuing forward. I mean, I think the key out of today was that we've discovered that you can actually change based on evidence, not just on anecdotes, not just on eminence. So I think Joanna and her team have demonstrated to us that if you capture the evidence and you deliver it properly, you can drive change.